So we have the Parkside Tire Shine Spray, Parkside Performance, and we have the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, which were never covered with any tire caring products. So let's try and see what this product will do. So the instructions are just car to be washed, the tire to be dry, and to spray directly on the tire. So the car was just washed. You can see the brake discs are rusted because of the pressure washer. So let's try. Currently the tire is kind of clean. Of course, there's always some dirt on it, so let's just try to spray it. Okay, this should be enough, only spraying on the tire, and we don't need any wipe with microfiber towel, so any towels at all. So that's it. Let's wait a little bit to dry up. There is a little bit of a shine. You can see it at the camera. In person, it's a little bit less shinier. The camera is a little bit over exposing it. It seems quite good cover, and we just need to see what is the durability of this product, the Parkside Performance Tire Shine. Come on, focus. Okay, just focus. It costs around 4 or 5 euros. That's it. It's quite good. So around 3 days have passed now, and you can see the results after. Let me just focus. So those are the results after around 100 kilometers, 3 days and 2 rains. And now we are almost 1 month later after the tire coating from Parkside Performance has been sprayed on this tire, and you can still see that the tire sidewall is still pretty shine and pretty clean, and it's not dirty and grayish and whitish color. So I would say that this is the best product for tire care I have ever used so far. So you can see even there is some dirt on the tire, but overall the tire is still pretty clean and pretty good looking. So that's it. This product for $5, 5 euros, it's the best one ever. Thanks for watching.